Well, another EP3 in the house, and this one has arrived on a trailer also. It's got some nice modifications on it, as you can see. And we should be mapping today on K100 on data.
We will be.
It's a nice car, isn't it, Richard?
It's alright.
It's alright.
It's alright.
I like that. Look at that beautiful hybrid racing fuel rail. Available at Dynodaze.com. That's actually not my web address. It's dynodazeperformanceparts.com. Just so that you're aware.
Yeah, give it the what?
I'll give them the correct web address. Yeah. Well, that's another EP3 in the bag. This beautiful black one with some nice modifications on it has done very, very well. 1 brake horsepower shy of 240 brake horsepower, which is what we like to see. Richard, any particular notes for this one? I'll drag him in. Look, I'll fish him in.
Fishing in? No, not really. I don't think so.
Well, I want you to be in the video, regardless of whether you've got something to say.
Hello.
Okay, let's look at the graph. And there she is, finished. Now obviously it came in on bigger injectors, so there wasn't much to show beforehand. It was running extremely rich. So, but yes, we have made, in fact, a finish figure of 239 brake horsepower, which is 196 at the wheels. And it's going to be very, very happy on the track, I think. So a good build, some nice parts, like I said at the start of the video. Yeah, so there we go. Another one done. If you need your EP3 mapping, give us a shout. And we'll see you on the next one. Hey, Rich. Rich. We'll see you on the next one. Won't we, Rich? Richard?
What?
We'll see you on the next one, won't we?
We will do.
Good lad.
moves pretty fast.